Welcome to the Coolman777 YouTube page. After you enjoy this video, remember to subscribe.
The gas is back. Brand new top end. We're gonna see how she runs today. That's right, folks. I am not a quitter. We are back here at Promised Land MX, and my plan is to jump this whole track today. I almost got to step up last time I was here with my 250 Honda. This time I got my 350. I'm back for revenge. Let's see what we can get done today at Promised Land MX. We also have James Beach here today, so we'll see if we can get him throwing some whips around Promised Land MX. Let's go! Tuesday, let's go! It's step up time, folks. Let's get it done. Let's see if the gas 350 can jump the step up. Bud, what do you say? Are you gonna jump the step up?
He's gonna make it flying colors.
Not me. Are you gonna jump the step up?
Oh, of course not.
All right. Somebody gotta do it. Let's get her done. Track it.
Jump the roller before it, you can like kind of like lay on top and gas all the way through it.
Okay.
So like you can kind of like hit it like a little farther than where he is. But
right.
Like right there.
Yeah.
You see that?
And use all of that.
Yeah, and use
to
all
get me
that.
over.
And that way you're not bouncing, so that way you're not like, oh shit. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, try that.
Okay.
You're good. I'm gonna call that a success. We're gonna leave it alone. That's right, folks, I got my practice outfit on. We're gonna call it a day. I jumped a step up, didn't put a complete lap together, but hey, I jumped it, baby steps. See you next time.
DJ CR Beats.